Everyone, it's Jennifer, and I wanted to come on and show a quick little ribbon thing I just did on this card. I'm designing about 5 classes today, and so I have no makeup on, so I'm not showing my face. I've already got ink on my hand. Anyway, so this is just real quick. I put this on a card, but then I pulled it back off because I decided to add some ribbon, and I wanted to show you what I did. So a lot of times with twine, we'll do this thing I call 2 fingers twice and 3 fingers 3 times, and you just make these little swirls, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. What I found with this ribbon, the ribbon sort of, you can't tell it's 2 pieces because it's ribbon versus twine. So I said, okay, we'll do 2 fingers, and then add a third 3 fingers, and add a fourth 4 fingers. And so that gives me 3 nice loops to put behind this flower. So I added adhesive to the flower, and you smash this in here, and let me show you how it looks. Okay, so like I said, there's adhesive on here, so I stuck the ribbon down. It's going to look real cute from the front. I'm going to take my dimensionals, I have these edges I'm using up, and make sure I secure the ribbon to the paper. By the way, this is the Ribbon Duo Combo Pack. There's a pink ribbon in here as well. Here is the finished card, so it's just a cute way to embellish, and hope you guys like this. I am designing this for my Stamp-A-Stack class, which is this coming weekend, and you can still register through today to take it in person or to go or join the club. So if you have questions, give me a comment or send me a message. Bye!